What's up, everyone? If you ever thought creating a fully illustrated children's storybook took too much time, money, or drawing skills, those days are officially over. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Gemini AI to generate a stunning storybook in less than a minute. But we aren't stopping there. I'll also show you how to unlock Gemini's true power by building your very own customized gem from scratch. Let's get into it. Open up Gemini and look at the left sidebar. Hit Explore Gems. You'll see several pre-made options created by Google. We are going to select the Storybook gem. Let's write a story. Add more details for better results. This time, I need to add the target reader's age, plot idea, and tone. Let's answer them and specify what I need. It takes just a few minutes to create your storybook. Done, here is the storybook you created. Nice and clean with beautiful photos. You can read, or if you want to listen, there is an option for that. You can listen to this storybook in high pitch or low pitch. Before that, we will make some changes. For example, I would like to change the photo style and add Sinhala subtitles to my story. Let's do that. Boom! Look at this upgrade. We just completely transformed the artwork. It now has that rich, modern animated studio quality finish, giving it a really powerful cinematic feel. And right there on the page, the Sinhala subtitles are integrated perfectly with the flow of the story. All right, our storybook is fully generated, looking incredible, and sounding great. Now, how do we actually get this out of Gemini to share with the world? You have two main options here. Option number one is exporting and printing it as a PDF. Now, as you can see, when it's just a flat PDF, it loses a bit of that interactive magic. You don't get the animations, the audio, or that dynamic feel. But it is super useful if you need a physical printed copy for paper reading. Option number two is the digital route, creating a shared link. This is how you keep the full experience intact. Just click Share and generate a public link. You can copy this and send it to anyone. Here is a massive pro tip you need to know. If you delete a link from this list, anyone who clicks your old URL will completely lose access to the storybook. So if you plan to publish this link on a blog, a website, or your social media, you must go into your Google activity settings and turn off the auto-delete activity option. If you leave auto-delete on, Google will eventually clear your chat history, which permanently breaks your public link. Now, if you do accidentally delete the public link, don't panic. Your actual project isn't gone. The original Storybook will still be sitting right here in your left sidebar history safely, but to publish it again, you will have to generate a brand new public link. The pre-made gems are great, but what if you want to take total control? That is where building your own custom gem completely changes the game. This allows you to create a specialized AI assistant that knows exactly how you work. Let me show you how to build one from scratch. Let's try to make a leaflet generator. You'll see two ways to build it. There's an advanced way using the Gemini API, but we don't need that today. We're going with the easiest, most effective way, the Gemini Gem Builder. First, go to Explore Gems, select New Gem. After click New Gem, you have to give it a name. Add a quick description so you remember what it's for. Now, the most important part, the instructions. In the instructions, tell the gem exactly how to behave. I'm telling mine to always ask me for the business details first before designing anything. If you have a specific brand guide or a reference file, you can even upload it under Knowledge so the gem stays on brand. Once you're done, hit Create. Time to test. I'm asking for a pharmacy leaflet and boom, it's already working. Check this out. My gem is automatically asking for the details I programmed it to want. It's working perfectly. I'll just fill these in. Let's see what it generates. Well done. Check out that design. As you can see, it successfully combined the name and other information I gave it. It left brackets for the parts I didn't give, like a specific phone number and address. So remember to answer every question without skipping it. It's like having a professional designer waiting for your advice 24/7. Your new gem is now saved right here in your left sidebar for whenever you need it. And if you want to show that to the world, just hit the share button to create a public link for your gem. Try creating your own gems to streamline whatever it is you do best. If this tutorial helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI workflows, and let me know in the comments what custom gem you plan on building. See you in the next video.